Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia All in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop a lot. On the menu today, as you can see, we are frying up some chicken, y'all. And we are going to be making some lemon pepper chicken wings. Trust me. You see how crispy, how crunchy this look? Yes, we are going to make some delicious sauce and put it on there. So come on, let's tune in. Welcome back, guys, to yet another great video. And if you are new here, I would like you to take just a moment to subscribe to my channel, to hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to see it. It's lemon peppers, y'all. Yes, we are going to be making that lemon pepper wings, not the whole wing, the section wings. Now we have our chicken, some lemon, some Thai chili pepper, salt, black pepper, butter, flour. To season our chicken, we have some garlic powder, adobo seasoning, herbs, black pepper, cayenne. We have some honey and some parsley to garnish. Now we are going to go ahead and season our chicken. As you can see, I have my gloves on because it's gonna get a bit messy. I am going to work that seasoning in. But for this particular recipe, I am not going to do a heavy seasoning. So I'm just going in with the Thai chili sauce and some salt. Then I'm gonna rub it in good, then set it aside to marinate for an hour or so. Whilst the chicken marinate, let's work on our flour, our seasoning flour at that. Okay, so here I have about 2 cups of flour. You can do more depending on how much chicken you have. Now I'm adding my salt. My seasoning is going to go in. Like I said, I have some garlic powder, some adobo herb mix, black pepper, and cayenne pepper for a bit of a kick to it. So when I add all of that, I'm going to shake my bag to thoroughly mix that in. I think my seasoning has penetrated this chicken well enough. So I'm going to go ahead and start to flour my chicken. I'm dropping a few pieces of chicken into my seasoned flour. I'm trying my best not to overcrowd the flour, because once you crowd it, it's going to get wet and it's not going to flour the chicken lightly as it should be. Once you're done shaking, take your chicken out of the flour, shake all the excess flour off your chicken, because if you have too much flour on your chicken, as you fry, your oil is going to burn a bit faster. Rest the floured chicken on a plate or a wire rack to allow the excess flour to fall off before frying. Now, as you can see, my oil is hot. It's about 350 degrees right now. So I'm dropping my chicken in, and I'm not going to crowd my pot, just to allow my skin to crisp up, and so the skin can be nice and golden and also crunchy at the same time. Allow your chicken to fry for a good 5 minutes before trying to move it around to prevent the skin from tearing. Once you are able to move the chicken around, allow the chicken to cook for additional 5 to 6 minutes, and voila, your chicken will be done. I like to constantly move my chicken around so that I don't have dark spots in certain places. I want an even golden brown chicken. Just like so, y'all. Look how crispy that looks. Look at that color, the goldenness of this chicken. I want you guys to take a moment and appreciate all of this, this crispiness, this crunch, the crust on this chicken, and tell me your mouth is not watery right now. I'm resting my crispy golden chicken in a colander to allow the excess oil to drain from it. Going to allow you a moment to savor all of this goodness, all of this crunch, all of this yumminess as I go ahead and fry the rest of my chicken, y'all. All right, guys, let's get into this lemon pepper sauce. Yes, I have a stick of butter and I'm going to melt it for 1 minute in the microwave. So over here, I'm just rolling my lemons to enable all the pulps to release its juice before I squeeze them. I'm going to squeeze about 3 lemons because I want enough sauce so I can also use it as a dipping sauce. My melted butter is out and I'm going to add my honey. Now, here's the trick. Honey is going to give it a little sweet, not too much, just a tiny bit of sweetness to your chicken. It's a little secret. Not everybody does that, but it makes a big difference. Now that my honey is in, I'm going to strain my lemon juice into my melted butter. Now, just a preference. If I was making this lemon pepper wings for just me, I will leave the pulps in there because it adds a little texture to your lemon pepper wings. Now, for an extra kick, zest some lemon into your sauce. Be very, very generous with that lemon zest because it's going to take your lemon pepper wings to the next level. Just like so, y'all. Stir it all up and your lemon butter sauce is done. Now that my chicken is done, my lemon butter sauce is done, I am going to go ahead and toss my chicken in my butter sauce. As you can see, I am tossing my chicken in batches just because I am not really good at doing all my chicken at once. But whatever suits your boat, do it. As you can see, I added my lemon butter sauce to my chicken, tossed it around a couple times, and now I am adding my black pepper to my chicken to toss. Now, some people might say, why didn't you add your black pepper before frying? You will not get the same taste, the same experience when you add your black pepper in the end. Just like so, guys. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop la. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, our lemon pepper is looking so delicious. We got a couple slices of lemon in there. We have some ranch for dipping and our butter sauce on the side. We garnished it with some lemon zest and of course some parsley flakes for some color, y'all. Mmm. Guys, we finished cuckoo. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button right now, the notification bell, so you will be part of all this goodness.